Good morning, class. Today we are going to draw an alien. Have you ever seen an alien? No, I haven't seen as well. But I think he should look like something like this. Okay, what we are going to do, we need these circles, these things. Like you can ask for a bangle or some dish or ball or like this tape, anything. A bigger one and a smaller one. You can ask your mama for help. Okay, what I am going to do now is, first I will draw a circle with the help of this. Okay, so here is our first circle. Now I want a second circle that is just touching it. Okay, I will draw a circle like this. Okay, now I have two circles, and what I am going to do is I am going to join the bigger circle and the smaller one. See, like this. Okay, now this is the shape of our alien's face. Now aliens have big eyes, I think, so I am going to draw big eyes like this. Okay, same the second eye. Now he has two big eyes. Now there are some lines I don't need, like this. Okay, I am going to remove them with an eraser. Okay, I have removed those lines, and now I am give this alien a big smile. Okay, I think they have antennas as well, so we should draw two antennas on his head. Just watch. There is one line and a double line and one antenna. Similarly, we will do the second one. Okay, now he has two antennas, and now I am going to draw neck. Okay, and his body. He is wearing a body suit, I think. He is in space, so he is wearing a body suit. How to make it? Say. Okay, just draw with me and you can do it. These are his hands, and now his body. Okay, and now I am going to draw the legs. Okay, so these are his legs, and his boots, of course. It is okay, you can do it. Now his hands. Second hand. Just draw with me, and it will be very easy to draw. Okay, his hands, everything is fine. Something is missing, I think. The goal glass ball. Okay, we need something to draw a circle over his head, but what I think this will do. No, it is too big, I think. Right? Now I think it is just fine. Okay, let me draw the circle. Okay, now it is done, and now we need to color it. Okay, now we will be coloring the background first. Okay, I am going to use lemon yellow. I will be coloring all the background, the whole background, inside this glass ball as well. Okay. Okay, so I have colored the background with yellow, and now I am going to color it all over again with black. Okay, I have covered the background with black roughly. You can still see yellows there. Okay, and now I am again going to color it properly with blue. Okay, now I can still see a very faint line, the circle that we draw. Okay, if you have lost it, it doesn't matter, just don't worry, we will draw the circle again after we cover it with blue. Okay, now the background is covered with blue as well. First yellow, then black, then blue. Okay, now still there are some white spaces, right? So I am going to smudge them with my finger. You can use some tissue paper for this purpose as well. Okay, just fold it neatly and smudge like this, so that there are no white spots visible. Okay, smudge it properly along the lines, like here, here, so it is smooth, the edges are smooth. So now almost all the white spaces are done. Now what I am going to do, you can take any sharp object like the scissors, okay, or anything sharp, and what I am going to do, I am going to scratch in a circular way. You see this little tiny circles and big circles, not very big, like this, here and there randomly. You can do with a scratcher if you have, or with the corner of your scale. These are stars and planets. We can make some stars like this, right? And planets like this. Some big, some small. Okay? So it will be our space. So I am filling the space with stars and planets, and there may be some spiral shapes as well, like this. Okay? Make plenty of them. Some very tiny, a little bigger, and then a little bigger, like that. Be very careful while scratching. You must not spoil your sheet. Okay? The sheet may come out. So scratch with a minimum pressure of your hand. Don't scratch it too hard. Okay? Now it is almost done. There are some spirals, some planets. Okay? It is done now. So this is our space. Now we need to redraw the glass ball on his head. If you have lost the lines, you can draw it again with a pencil. Okay, I have done it again, and now I am going to color the alien. I am coloring the alien with violet. It is light violet, okay? Color him properly. Leave his eyes and lips and color rest of the face. I have colored the face with violet and same will be the antennas. So it is done, and now I am going to cover it with white. Okay, now it is done. Now again smudge a little using your fingers. Make sure your fingers are clean. Okay, now I am going to color the eyes with black, but I will leave, like I am drawing this space, I will leave this space white, and the rest of the eye I will color with black. Okay, now I am going to color with white in this space. Okay, it is done, and now I am going to mix the colors. The same way in the another eye. Okay, eyes are done, and now I am going to color the lips very red. I have colored the lips, and now I am smudging the edges to look it smooth. Now I will use my pencil to outline it, the eyes and the lips. Okay, and now the lips. It's done now. Now I am going to color the body suit with grey, the whole body suit, and the gloves and the boots. I am coloring it with grey and coloring it very properly at the edges. Okay, so I have colored it with grey, and now I am going to use a little white on grey. Just roughly. You don't need to put white everywhere. Just roughly put it. Okay, it is done. Now I am going to use my finger to smooth the edges. Do it like this. Smooth them. Blend them with the background. So here is our little alien, and with your pencil color the edges. It is not like I am doing an outline. You can see I am doing it like this, just like this. Okay. As if you are coloring with the pencil. Do it like this. I am doing it properly here. See? And I am coloring the boots with pencil to give them a darker shade. Okay, boots are done, bodysuit is done. Now we have to color this ball, and the ball is transparent, mind it. I will just show how to color it. I am going to color the ball with white, but not all of it, just Watch it very carefully. Watch it. I am doing it along the line, but I am not filling the color. Much is enough on this side. Now a little bit here as well. Just a little bit, like an outline. Not much. Okay, it is done. And now I am going to smudge the color a bit with my finger. Make sure your finger is clean. If you have tissue paper at home, you can do it with tissue paper as well. Fold a piece of tissue paper nicely and then smudge with it. Let it go over it. I have applied a little more white and I am going to smudge it as well. On this side as well. Make sure your finger moves in a circular motion. Okay? You have to preserve the shape of this ball. So now it is done. So it is our good little alien. Enjoy doing it. Stay in and stay safe. Bye.